In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best AC unit for garage, selected for their strong airflow, compact design, energy efficiency, and easy installation to keep your workspace comfortable, year-round productive. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best AC unit for garage, selected for their strong airflow, compact design, energy efficiency, and easy installation to keep your workspace comfortable, year-round productive. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. SereneLife Exhaust AC Unit. The SereneLife Exhaust AC Unit is a versatile and practical portable air conditioner designed for users who want year-round comfort without sacrificing space. Its sleek, lightweight body and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move between rooms, whether you need cooling in the bedroom, living room, garage, or even a small office. What truly sets this unit apart is its 4-in-1 functionality, offering cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan modes in one compact system. With 10,000 BTU ASHRAE cooling power and 9,000 BTU heating capability, it performs well in rooms up to 450 square feet, making it a reliable option for both summer heat and winter chill. Number 2. SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable AC. The SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a solid choice for anyone looking for efficient cooling combined with portability and simplicity. Designed with a lightweight and modern body, this unit is easy to move around thanks to its rolling wheels, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. It features 3 essential operating modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan, allowing users to customize comfort based on seasonal needs. With 12,000 BTU ASHRAE and 7,000 BTU SACC cooling power, it is capable of covering rooms up to 550 square feet, which is impressive for a compact floor AC. The built-in dehumidifier adds extra value by helping control indoor humidity, improving overall air quality and comfort while also saving space and money. Control is straightforward and user-friendly, thanks to the digital touch panel that lets you adjust power, mode, temperature, fan speed, and timer settings with ease. The included remote control further enhances convenience, allowing adjustments from across the room, including sleep mode and temperature unit selection. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Portable AC Unit. The BLACK+DECKER Portable AC Unit is a powerful and well-rounded climate control solution designed for rooms up to 550 square feet. Measuring compactly while still delivering strong performance, this unit combines air conditioning, heating, dehumidifying, and fan functions into a single 4-in-1 system, making it ideal for year-round use. With 7,000 BTU DOE and 12,000 BTU ASHRAE cooling capacity, it provides efficient temperature control during hot summers, while the built-in heater ensures comfort during colder months. User convenience is a strong point, with both a top-mounted LED control panel and a remote control that make adjusting settings quick and intuitive. Additional features like a 24-hour timer, auto water evaporation system, and slide-out washable filter reduce maintenance and improve long-term usability. Mobility is also well thought out, as the unit includes bottom casters and side handles, allowing you to move it effortlessly between rooms. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included window kit, which helps vent hot air efficiently outside. Despite its powerful performance, the unit maintains a user-friendly design, suitable for apartments, bedrooms, or home offices. Number 4. Humhold 14,000 BTU Portable AC. The Humhold 14,000 BTU Portable AC Unit is a high-performance cooling solution built for larger spaces and demanding environments. With a powerful 14,000 BTU ASHRAE and 10,000 BTU SAC rating, this unit can effectively cool areas up to 700 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, apartments, garages, basements, and offices. Its 3-in-1 functionality includes cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes, allowing it to adapt easily to different seasonal needs. The dehumidifier capacity of up to 95 pounds per day is especially impressive, helping maintain a healthy indoor environment by reducing excess moisture. The front-mounted LED display and full-function remote control add convenience, enabling easy temperature and fan speed adjustments from up to 23 feet away. One of its standout features is the self-evaporating system, which eliminates the need for daily draining in most conditions, saving time and effort.
For energy efficiency, the Smart Mode automatically adjusts operation based on room temperature, while Sleep Mode keeps noise levels below 48 decibels for quiet nighttime use. The 24-hour timer further enhances energy savings and user control.
Number 5. Wiytamo 10,000 BTU Portable AC. The Wiytamo 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a modern and efficient cooling solution designed for comfort, convenience, and smart control. Delivering 10,000 BTU of cooling power, it effectively handles rooms up to 450 square feet, making it a great fit for bedrooms, offices, and living areas. Its 3-in-1 design combines cooling, fan, and dehumidifier functions, allowing users to adapt the unit to different weather conditions while maintaining energy efficiency. A built-in smart sensor helps regulate compressor usage, which not only improves performance, but also helps reduce energy costs over time. One of the biggest advantages of this unit is its smart app compatibility, enabling users to control temperature, mode, fan speed, and timers remotely from their smartphone, in addition to using the included remote control or top LED display panel. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with support for both vertical and horizontal windows, and no special tools required. The 360-degree wheels and side handles make it easy to move between rooms. The self-evaporating system minimizes the need for frequent draining, while dual drain options provide flexibility for continuous or manual operation. And that wraps up the top 5 best AC unit for garage. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.